Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Accord engine air filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver and your new engine air filter. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start. Next, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, usually a large black box near the front of the engine. Now, let's open the housing. You'll typically find several clips or screws holding the cover in place. Carefully unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Once they are all released, gently lift the cover to reveal the old air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old, dirty engine air filter. Just lift it straight out. Before inserting the new filter, it's a good idea to wipe away any leaves or debris that might have accumulated inside the housing. Then, carefully place your new air filter into the compartment, ensuring it sits flush and matches the orientation you noted earlier. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully place the air filter housing cover back into position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug and secure. A new engine air filter can significantly improve your vehicle's engine performance and even boost your fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.